up? It's Maya Styles back at again with another video. In today's video, I'm obviously going to be doing these twists. This was requested on TikTok. If you're not already following me on TikTok, it'll be in my description box below. Also, my name is Maya Styles on TikTok as well. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel because, you know, I'm on the road to 500 because I already hit 100 super fast. So I'm on the road to 500 now. Hit that like button so I know that you like these types of videos because I don't want to post stuff y'all don't want to see. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video, and we're just going to get right into it because I'm tired of talking. First, I'm starting off by parting my hair in between my ear, and then I'm just going to add some Shine and Jam to the part. It's actually the one that's in like the gold container. Then I'm going to just comb it out. After doing that, I'm going to start off by creating 3 parts in my back area. So that'll be the base of all parts. And I'm applying a rubber band just to keep it in place. I wrap it around about 4 to 5 times, maybe even 6 sometimes, depending on how loose the rubber band is. So then my next part is going to be above the top of my ear. And I'm using a comb that I broke like the teeth out of, if that makes sense, and I'm just using that to create a clean part. After doing so, I'm adding some Shine and Jam to my part again, and then I am parting in between the row underneath to create a brick wall effect so that the parts just fall nicely in between each other instead of on top. And this is what it should look like afterwards. So then my next part is going to be, I don't know where you would call it. It's like a little bit underneath the temple. And then I'm going to be parting right behind my ear. And that'll be the first part. And then the rest will just fall in between the parts underneath, like I said before. And again, I'm taking a rubber band just to secure the part. And this is what it should look like after you did that row. My next row is going to be above the temple, I guess is what you can say. And this is about how many I did in that row. The next row is just, I don't even know how you would say that. And then my last row is a part in between my head, and then I'm putting 4 parts all together, so 2 on each side. And again, I'm securing it with a rubber band after I applied my Shine and Jam to the part. This is how the front looked after I did the 4. Sometimes my parts like mix a little bit, so I'll just pull it out if I see anything. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's in 24-inch water wave, and the brand is Janet Collections. And first, I'm starting off by adding my Eco Styler. It is the argan oil one. Adding my Eco Styler to the part, smoothing it down as much as possible. And then I'm just going to be separating the hair, taking 2 strands, and just running my finger through it to create it to be a little bit fluffier, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to be taking my crochet hook, pushing it through open, hooking the hair onto it, and then closing it, pulling it through just a little bit. And then I'm going to take my natural hair and pull it through that hole that we just created, and then create a knot, split my hair in half, and then I'm going to start to twist. Now, sometimes you might twist the wrong way and it won't be as juicy as it can be, so then you'll just have to twist the other way, and then adding some Eco Styler just to slick my hair down into it. At the ends, I'm adding rubber bands to signify, or yeah, just to, I don't know, to cut off the area in which I'm going to cut off. And again, I'm taking the Eco Styler Argan Oil, smoothing it down. And then after that, I'm taking the crochet hook, open, putting the hair on it, closing the hook, pulling it through, and then taking my natural hair and pulling it through to create a knot, splitting my hair in half, and then starting to twist down. And again, adding Eco Styler to the part as I go, just in case. Sometimes I'll let go before I even twist all the way down just to see if it is in the right direction so I don't waste time. And again, I am twisting about to my, I'd say my shoulder a little bit, adding a rubber band. I was watching Sister and they was playing a good song. I had to sing along. But anyways, so I'll put the rubber band at the bottom of where I'm going to cut it off at. And then again, taking 2 strands of hair, separating them a little bit, fluffing them out. You don't want to do it too much, but you don't want to do it not enough. So just do it to the point it's all separated. So pulling my hair through, creating a knot. Then I'm going to split my hair in half and twist it down. And you just want to check each and every time you twist down to make sure you're not twisting too much, because you don't want your twist to be uneven. So that is about where it should be at, adding the rubber band. And again, I'm adding Eco Styler as I'm twisting down just to keep my hair inside of the twist. Also, my hair is actually a different color because I temporarily dyed my hair and it still has yet to come out. So it kind of shows a little bit, but you know, do what you gotta do, add some Eco, slick it down. And again, this is another close-up of me putting the crochet hook through, taking the hair and then hooking it. It kept getting caught on the other twist, but pulling it through and then pulling my hair through that hole that we just created to create a knot. Then splitting my hair in half, adding some Eco as I'm twisting down. Now this one, I don't think I had to add as much because I added a lot whenever I smoothed it down. But again, you want to twist down to the length that you're, desired for you. And this twist actually was in the wrong direction once again, so you have to twist in the other direction. And this can be a little annoying because, you just want to get your hair done. You got to unravel. It's like taking down a box braid that you just did. It's annoying. So, yeah, you just got to keep being patient. Now, I didn't show this very well, I'm sorry, but I just cut right underneath the rubber band. And then if I had to trim a little bit more off, I would add a rubber band again to that length and then cut underneath that part, if that makes sense. This is what it looks like. I mean, overall, this style to me was like difficult, like more difficult than what it seems, like what it looks like, because of the fact that you gotta twist it in a particular way and you gotta make sure it's in that particular way. So if you don't twist, you gotta take it back out. And it just took me a while to like get each and every one to the right direction. It was just too much. It was too much. So the short hairstyle, passion twist, anything passion twist, I don't think I'll be doing them again. But that's just me. But overall, I mean, they're okay. It's not my favorite style, but I'm probably gonna end up styling it like this, just in case if y'all wanted to know, because I'm, what I'm saying, probably end up doing something like this and wearing it like this, as opposed to having them all like out in my face, because they get caught on my nose piercing. I don't like that. I don't like that. So yeah, like I said, I post every Saturday, so if you guys want to see me again, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you did like this type of video, if you did actually like the hairstyle. I mean, yeah, you know what I'm saying. So I'll just see y'all in my next one.